This is why you need to jump into these top 10 topics for YouTube success. Here are the top 10 must-know topics for creators over 50. Number 1, life stories and experiences. Everyone loves a good story. Number 2, DIY and crafting. Show off those skills. Number 3, health and wellness tips. Keep those years golden. Number 4, travel adventures. Take us on your journeys. Number 5, cooking and recipes. Share those secret family dishes. Number 6, book reviews and recommendations. Perfect for all the bookworms. Number 7, technology tutorials. Help others navigate the digital world. Number 8, gardening tips. Let's grow together. Number 9, financial advice. Share your money wisdom. And finally, number 10, hobby showcases. Inspire others with your passion. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating.